Hey there, future millionaires. Ready to take control of your financial destiny? Today, I'm diving into something that's crucial for all of us: planning your financial success. It's a journey worth embarking on. It's time to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start building real wealth that lasts. So let's get straight into it. No time to waste. First, let's talk about the power of budgeting. It's more important than you might think. I know, budgeting sounds boring, but it's a game changer. But trust me, it's like the foundation of your financial house. Without a strong foundation, nothing stands. Without it, everything else falls apart. You need a solid base to build upon. Track your income and expenses, and make sure you're saving at least 20% of what you earn. Consistency is key. It might mean cutting back on those daily lattes, but it's worth it in the long run. Next up, investing. This is where your money starts to work for you. Investing isn't just for Wall Street pros, it's for everyone. Yes, even you. Start by setting up an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. This is your safety net. After that, look into low-cost index funds or ETFs. They offer a balanced approach. They're a great way to dip your toes into the market without taking on too much risk. Diversification is key. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Time is your best ally. Now let's talk about debt. It's a topic we can't ignore. It's the 4-letter word we all dread, but it doesn't have to control you. But managing debt effectively can set you free. Freedom from debt is empowering. Focus on paying down high-interest debt first, like credit cards. This will save you money in the long run. Use the snowball method. Pay off the smallest debts first to build momentum. Small wins lead to big victories. It's all about taking one step at a time. Every step counts. All right, let's get to income streams. More is better. Diversifying your income is key to financial success. Think beyond your 9 to 5. Explore new opportunities. Consider side hustles, freelance gigs, or even passive income opportunities like rental properties or dividend stocks. The possibilities are endless. The more streams you have, the more secure your financial future will be. Security comes from diversity. Lastly, keep educating yourself. Knowledge is power. The financial world is always evolving, and staying informed is your best defense. Stay ahead of the curve. Read books, follow financial blogs, watch videos like this one, and never stop learning. Continuous learning is crucial. The more knowledge you have, the better decisions you'll make. Empower yourself with information. So there you have it, your roadmap to financial success. Follow it diligently. Budget smartly, invest wisely, manage your debt, diversify your income, and keep learning. These are the pillars of success. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about building true wealth over time. You've got this. Patience and persistence pay off. Start today, and your future self will thank you. The best time to start is now. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful. Your support means a lot. Subscribe for more tips on building your financial future. Stay connected for more insights. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy. Your journey to financial freedom continues.